Good afternoon, dear traders.
Hello everyone, welcome to ИнстаФорекс Economic News TV channel with me, Anna Kasatkina.
And me, Kate Nedachina.
You're watching combined currency and commodity review over the last week.
What currencies were in the limelight last week?
The US dollar finished trading on a downbeat note.
And what triggered such a dynamic?
Traders hesitated over long positions ahead of the Fed's meeting to be held this week. The US dollar index lost around 0.7% this week to 97.31. The greenback pulled back 0.2% against the yen. The close level clocked in at 123.78 yen. Meanwhile, the euro grew by 1.4% against the buck, trading at $1.0974 on Friday in New York. The pound sterling inched down 0.6% over the last week to hit the level of $1.55.07. On Friday, the US dollar gave back some of its positions to the yen, but rose to the euro and pound after official data showed that new home sales fell by 6.8% in the USA in June, the weakest figure in 7 months. Overall, last trading week was rather thin. Massive oil sales supported the greenback against its Australian and Canadian counterparts. In a week, oil slumped 5%. On Friday, the Australian dollar dropped to its 6-year low at 72.59 US cents. Meanwhile, the Canadian dollar shed 76.31 US cents, the weakest level since 2004. Another significant move of the last week was the rebound of the New Zealand dollar. The Kiwi showed one of the worst performances to the greenback this year, but it managed to end the week on a rise despite the Reserve Bank of New Zealand lowering the rate. The Kiwi gained 1% over the week to 65.84 US cents, and this is all about the Forex news.
Thank you for the currency roundup, Anna.
You're welcome, Kate. So what were the updates from the commodity markets?
Both oil and gold were in bear market territory.
And what were the reasons for that?
Oil declined on the global markets on the backdrop of great number of drilling rigs in the United States and worries over Iran and China's demand. A Speaker Here Services company reports the total number of active drilling rigs increased in the USA by 19. Besides, worries over Iran's return to the oil market weighed on the quotes. WTI futures for August delivery dropped 0.6% to $48.14 per barrel. The weekly decline clocked in at 5.4%. Brent August futures deteriorated 1.2% to $54.62 per barrel, thus losing 4.3% over the week. Yet another negative factor affecting the market was an unexpected growth in crude oil reserves in the USA. Over the week, inventories added 2.5 million barrels, while the analysts had expected a contraction. Prices for gold dropped to a 5-year low of $1,077.40 per troy ounce. Since the year started, the precious metal gave back 8.8% amid expectations for rates hike in the USA. Gold for delivery in August went down by $8.60, finishing the Friday session at $1,085.50 per troy ounce on COMEX. On Thursday, prices strengthened for the first time in 11 sessions. At the end of the week, the metal cheapened 4.1%. According to Morgan Stanley experts, in case of the worst scenario, gold may fall to $800 per troy ounce.
Kate, many thanks for the commodity market overview.
Not at all, Anna.
You have watched Currency and Commodity Markets Overview on ИнстаФорекс TV News channel.
The report was presented to you by me, Kate Nedachina.
And me, Anna Kasatkina.
Take care and goodbye.
See you soon.